Hello everyone. Today we are going to do lesson number 8, translation and activities and exercises. Let's start. Lesson number 8, the chapter name is La Minitel. So let's talk about this La Minitel. This is in the sort of conversation. So we'll see that what is going on in the conversation here. First of all, there is the boy Paul. Salut Soham, comment ça va? Hello Soham, how are you? Soham is saying Salut Paul, ça ne va pas. That's not fine or not fine. So let's see what happened. Paul, pourquoi tu es triste? Why are you sad? So I'm saying, je ne connais pas bien la France. I don't know well about France. Et je dois me renseigner sur la France. And I have to get informed about France. Paul is saying, non t'inquiète pas, don't worry. Tu peux te renseigner sur la France sur l'internet. You can get information on France on internet. So I'm saying, oui, c'est une bonne idée. Yes, this is a good idea. Paul is saying, autrefois, earlier, on utilisait le Minitel pour s'en renseigner. We used to use the Minitel for getting the information. So, Minitel, qu'est-ce que le Minitel? Minitel, what is it, the Minitel? Paul is saying, le terminal, the Minitel was the computer terminal combiné avec un téléphone, combined with the telephone. Pour toutes les informations, for all the informations, il était possible de communiquer, it was possible to communicate par écrit, by writing, avec tout abonnés de France, with all the subscribers of France. Soham, est-ce qu'il répondait à toutes les questions? Was it answering all the questions? Paul is saying, oui, bien sûr, yes, of course. On pouvait aussi faire des achats. We could also do shopping. Faire ou annuler des réservations. We could make or cancel the reservations through an hotel, etc. Find a hotel, etc. Soham, c'est comme l'internet. It is like an internet. On ne l'avait jamais en Inde. We never had it in India. Paul is saying, mais il existait en Suède, but it existed in Sweden, en Irlande, in Ireland, au Canada, in Canada, au Belgique, in Belgium, en Allemagne, in Germany, aux États-Unis, in US, et en Italie, and in Italy. Soham, d'accord, ok, je vais me renseigner, ok, I'm going to get information sur l'internet on internet, sur la France on France, d'aujourd'hui, of today. Merci beaucoup, Paul. Thank you very much, Paul. Au revoir. Bye. De rien, welcome, et au revoir, and bye. So, students, this was the translation. Let's move on to activity number 1 now. Activity number 1 is over here. It's a question and answers. The first question. Pourquoi Soham est triste? Why Soham is sad? Soham est triste. Soham is sad parce que because il ne connaît pas bien la France. He doesn't know well about France. Et il doit renseigner sur la France. And he has to get information on France. Question number 2. Qu'est-ce que le Minitel? What is it, the Minitel? Le Minitel est un terminal d'ordinateur. Minitel is a computer terminal combiné, combined avec un téléphone, with a telephone. Question number 3. Le Minitel répondait-il à toutes les questions? Minitel, was it answering all the questions? Oui, yes. Le Minitel répondait. Minitel used to answer à toutes les questions, to all the questions. Question number 4. Dans quel pays existait le Minitel? In which countries existed le Minitel? Le Minitel existed en Suède, in Sweden, en Irlande, in Ireland, au Canada, Canada, en Belgique, in Belgium, en Allemagne, in Germany, aux États-Unis, in US, et en Italy, etc. Question number 5. In this question, you can write any two countries' name, then also it's fine if it comes in the paper. Question number 5. Que pouvait-on faire sur le Minitel? What could you do on the Minitel? On pouvait faire des achats, we could do shopping. Faire ou annuler des réservations, make or cancel the reservations. Trouver un hôtel, find a hotel, etc. Le Minitel était un ordinateur. Minitel, now it's this one, activity number 2, true and false. Le Minitel était un ordinateur. Minitel was a computer. So it is a false information. Minitel is a computer terminal. Question number 2. On ne pouvait pas faire des réservations sur le Minitel. We could not do the reservations on the Minitel. False. We could do the reservations. Question number 3. On pouvait communiquer par écrit. We could communicate by writing. Vrai. La Minitel existait seulement en France. Minitel existed only in France. False. So, हम cherche l'information sur la France d'aujourd'hui. So, I'm searching information on France today. Vrai. That's true. Now, activity is dialogue writing. तो नाम ही वो सुनो सही है. The friend wants France.
Elle te pose des questions. He or she asks you the questions. Tu l'aides. You help him or her compose le dialogue. Write the dialogue. So let's see the dialogue over here.
Is one person, B is another. Bonjour, good morning. What do you mean? Can you help me? B, oui, bien sûr. Yes, of course. A is saying, où est-ce que je peux me renseigner sur la France? Where can I get the information on France? B, person is saying, au Minitel, on Minitel, ou à l'internet, or internet. Tu peux écrire la question, you can write the question, et tu peux trouver les réponses, and you can find the answers. A is saying, d'accord, merci, okay, thank you. B is saying, de rien, au revoir, welcome, bye. So students, this was activity number 3, and in this chapter we have to get to know about les pronoms personnels, the personal pronouns. In this we'll talk about the direct object pronoun. The direct object pronouns are je, me, me, m apostrophe for je, these two for je me, tu, te, t apostrophe, il, le, l apostrophe, elle, la, an apostrophe, nous, vous, ille, elle. So we use them for the direct object replacement, right? Like one, two examples I can show you here. The first one, j'aime le chien. So le chien is the direct object because it is coming just after the verb. A word, an object which comes just after the verb is direct object. So le chien is the direct object, and for this we have to find the direct object pronoun. For le chien, the direct object pronoun will be le itself, and this le will come before the verb. So it will be je l'aime, right? Elle va les livres. She wants the books. So les livres. So les is the direct object pronoun here. Les livres is the direct object, and for les livres it will be les the direct object pronoun, and it will be written before the verb. So elle lève. Question number 3. Nous connaissons la France. So in this case, la France is the direct object, and for this direct object, the direct object pronoun will be la only, and this la will be written before connaissance. So nous la connaissons. You can check the answer. Tu m'écoutes, are you listening me? For when there is a question and answer, so we answer mo as the. Are you listening me? Tu m'écoutes? So answer is oui, je t'écoute. Yes, I'm listening you. Elle vous regarde? Is she watching you? Oui, elle nous regarde. Yes, she is watching us. When it is a passive composite sentence, we put it before our verb, so it will be like vous l'avez écrit pour la lettre. When it is a future proche, we have to write before the main verb, before the infinitive, like ils vont faire les devoirs, so it will ils vont les faire. When it is we can work conjugation with an infinitive. When it is an infinitive also given, so we have to place before the infinitive, like elle aime manger les bonbons, so it will be elle aime les manger. So before infinitive, we have to write this. Now moving ahead, when it is imperative affirmative, for this situation only we write the direct object pronoun after the verb, and that is given as well here in nutshell. You can read this: pronouns are placed before the verb. This is the key for all the placement. In passive composite, it is placed before the auxiliary. Before the auxiliary refers to our verb. In future proche, behind the auxiliary. So in future proche, if it is, we have to write it behind the auxiliary, or you can say before the infinitive form the verb. If there are two verbs before the second verb, if there are two verbs happening before the second one, you have to write the direct object pronoun. And in imperative, we have to write after the verb. This is the key one to understand. But in negative imperative, it is placed before the verb. But in negative imperative, it remains the same before the verb itself. Let's now move on to the activities. We have activity number 4 over here to discuss. Let's do. The question is saying remplace les mots, replace the words souligné, underline par les pronoms direct by the direct object pronoun le or la or l apostrophe. Let's check it. Nous adorons ce roman. So ce roman is underlined, and this is the direct object of the sentence because it is coming just after the verb. So if this is the direct object, we have to find the direct object pronoun for it, and the direct object pronoun for it will be le, 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 and this le will be placed before the verb, so it will be nous l'adorons. This is the answer. Question number 2. Tu prends mon cahier? So again it will be le, and this will be placed before the verb. Tu le prends. J'ai pris la photo de Ricky Martin. So la photo. So la is the direct object pronoun. So it will be je l'ai prise. However, e can drop for class 8. It's okay. But you need to write e because it is accord. Question number 4. Tu as acheté cette voiture? So cette voiture, it will be la, and la will be placed before our because it is passive composure, and we have to place it before our. The auxiliary. Question number 5. Ils ont fini leur devoir. Ils les ont fini because les will be placed before avoir ONT. Question number 6. Vous ne mettez pas votre manteau. Votre manteau it will be la and la will be placed before mettez here because this is the verb. Appelez Monsieur Lavano. This is imperative affirmative, so it will be written after the verb. So this is the verb and it will be written after. So it will be appelez le. Since Monsieur Lavano is a male, so it will be la over here. Had she been a female, had this person be female, so it could be la. Il connaît Madame Legrand. So this is a female, so it will be la. Il la connaît, right? All right. So students, let's move ahead for activity number 5, and this is little different than the fourth one. Réponds aux questions intelligentes. Answer the questions while using les pronoms lo, la, les, et l'apostrophe. Let's do it. Vous voulez prendre ce manteau gris? Do you want to take this gray coat? Answer is oui. Je veux le prendre. Yes, I want to take it. Vous will be changed to je. According to je, will be there were, and lo is coming for ce manteau gris. Lo and then prendre. There are two verbs, so it will be placed before the second verb. Question number 2. As-tu invité tes amis à la soirée? Did you invite your friend to the party? Answer is oui. Je les ai invités à la soirée. Yes, I invited them in the party. Question number 3. A-t-elle écrit cette lettre? Did she write this letter? Oui, elle l'a écrite. So, cette lettre, for this, we are writing L-A will be shortened to L apostrophe. Question number 4. Boivent-ils le café noir? The answer is oui, ils le boivent. They are drinking it. Question number 5. Prenez-vous ce cadeau? Oui, je les prends. So for ce cadeau, it is les. And we have to frame into answers. Aime-t-il cette fleur? Does he like this flower? So answer is oui, il l'aime. So for cette fleur, you are writing la and you are framing it like this. However, there can be one more steps involved. I am solving for this. Aime-t-il cette fleur? So answer will be B. Il aime cette fleur. Il aime cette fleur. This way, it involves two steps. For cette fleur, you can write la, and this la will be put before m, so it will be vi il aime, like this. Aime-t-il cette fleur? So it will be vi il aime cette fleur, and for cette fleur la, and la will be placed before m, so it will be il aime. Right, so students, this is done activity number 5. Moving on to activity number 6, and in this we have to again do questioning and answering. Tu m'écoutes? Are you listening me? Answer is oui, je t'écoute. Yes, I'm listening you. Question number 2. Elle vous téléphone souvent? Does she often call you? Answer is oui, elle me téléphone souvent. Souvent you can write after that. Yes, she often calls me. Question number 3. Est-ce qu'il a t'invité? Did he invited you? Did he invite you? Answer is oui, il m'a invité. Yes, he invited me. Question number 4. Tu me regardes? Are you watching me? Answer is oui, je te regarde. Yes, I'm watching you. Question number 5. Ils vous connaissent? Do they know you? Answer is oui, ils nous connaissent. Yes, they know us. Question number 6. Il a entendu la bruit? Did he hear the noise? Answer is oui, il a entendu. He heard it. Elle connaît ton nom? Does she know your name? Oui, elle le connaît. Yes, she knows it. Ton nom it coming. Il va acheter le livre d'anglais. Is he going to buy the English book? Oui, il va l'acheter. Yes, he is going to buy it. Question number 7. Activity number 7, students, is based upon the blue box given over there. I'll just go with question and answers over here. Tu as le Minitel dans ton pays? Do you have Minitel in your country? Answer is no, je n'ai pas le Minitel dans mon pays. No, I don't have Minitel in my country. Question number 2. Depuis quand c'est installé en France? Since when it is installed in France? So, c'est installé, it is installed en France depuis 1982. So, it is installed in France since 1982. Question number 3. Quel service est le plus utilisé du Minitel? Which service is the most used on Minitel? Le service le plus utilisé sur le Minitel est l'annuaire électronique. Is annuaire électronique. Electronic programming, electronic works, electronic scheduling, etc. Question number 4. Que peut-on faire grâce au Minitel? What can we do by virtue of Minitel? So, by virtue of Minitel, you can find in the book as well. On peut faire des achats, prendre une langue, lire un journal, faire une réservation, demander leur départ, etc., etc. So, which we have already discussed about. Que utilises-tu pour te renseigner? What do you use for getting yourself informed or getting information about something? So, we use internet. So, answer is On utilise l'interne. Question number 7, activity number 7 is done, students. The last one which we have to do from here is les exercices. Les exercices, just one exercise we have to do, and this is about COD. COD stands for complement d'objet, direct object pronoun. So, vous avez la télé? Do you have the TV? Answer is oui, je l'ai. Yes, I have it. Second question, vous regardez souvent les films? Do you often watch movies? Oui, je les regarde. Yes, I watch them often. You can write the word often here. Ils connaissent ta petite sœur? Do they know your little sister? Answer is oui. Ils les connaissent. Yes. Hmm. This is error, students. It should be la. Oui, ils la connaissent. Yes, they know her. Elle aime garder les animaux. Does she like keeping the animals? Oui. Elle aime les garder. Yes, she likes keeping them. Question number 5. Les Français utilisent beaucoup les transports en commun. The French, do the French use lot of public transport? Answer is oui. Les Français les utilisent beaucoup. Yes, the French use them a lot. Next. Question number 6. Vous achetez ce jupe? Are you buying this dress? Answer oui. Je l'achète. Yes, I'm buying it. Question number 7. Tu prends ta voiture? Are you taking your car? Answer oui. Je la prendre. Because voiture is feminine, so it will be la. Question number 8. Il a le téléphone portable de sa femme. Does he have the mobile phone of his wife? Answer B. Il a de sa femme. Yes, he has it of his wife. That is the telephone, the mobile. Question number 9. Ils vont fêter leur anniversaire de mariage. So the red ones we have to change. Leur anniversaire de mariage, it will be lo. So you have to write oui, ils vont le fêter. Yes, they are going to celebrate it. Question number 10. Je peux boire ton verre de champagne. Can I drink your glass of champagne? Answer oui, je peux le boire. So it will be oui, tu peux le boire. Yes, you can drink it. Right. So students, this was the exercise of COD, that stands for the complement d'objet direct object complement, or we can call it direct object pronouns. How to find direct object in a sentence, and then we to find the direct object pronoun for it, the suitable direct object pronoun, and we have to place it before the verb most often, except imperative, affirmative. So this is all from lesson number 8, students. That's all. Merci. Over.